Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental control on Honor Magic V3. So you have to start by opening your settings application, then you have to scroll down and click on Google. Now click on all services and now you have to find parental control. And then click let's do this. Now click sign in and click Google. Here you have to enter your child's email address. And then click next. And now you have to enter your child's password. Then scroll down and click yes, I'm in. Now click I agree. And now click on do not turn backup and click not now. Now click accept and click on supervise. Then click next. And here you have to enter your parent email address. Then click next. And here you have to enter your parent password. And now you have to scroll all the way down, and here you have to enter your child password again. Then click on next. And then click on activate. And now scroll down and click next again. Now click done. And as you can see, my parental controls are now set up, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.